Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please kindly sit. After that little bit of work, John and Alex are entitled to something here which is very rare in Scotland. John? Here's the haggis. Thank you, John. Turn, dismiss. Thank you. You can see Lady Miller.
Gentlemen, before I say a toast to the lassies, I must say one thing to the lassies. What I am about to say, remember one thing, it's Robbie Burns' night. And remember, it's all in fair play. Okay? I don't want any cups and saucers coming my way. Because I'm going to hit the table if I do. Okay, lads and lassies. Toast to the lassies.
John, excuse me, you mind coming out to the middle?
Yeah, they can get at you better out there.
Come on, guys.
Away we go. Okay, girls, never mind up the kilt and all that.
Next year, come earlier.
Yeah. Now here's to modern womanhood and woman's lib and all that. Poor modern man say poor and crude. No wonder he's ashamed at the way the women rule him now and run the show and all that. The lassies can outvote us now, and many ones a bitcher. They mostly outlive us too, inherit and go richer. But all that and all that, their haughty ways and all that. The modern man can look and laugh, a man's a male for all that. Ye see yon person called a miss, she scorns our sex and all that. She'll maybe find out frae a kiss, a man's a male for all that. Their liberty and all that, they canna do without us yet, a man's a man for all that. Laddies, join me with a toast to the lassies. To the lassies.
We lassies, young and old, from many countries we have settled on the sod, are humbled by this joyous eve, and with laddies heaven blessed, for a man's a male for all that. We had to really listen to find some praise, but they cannot do without us yet. So we thank you and return to thee in kind, bless all the laddies, young and old, and Robbie Burns his life and poetry of old. Ladies, rise for a toast to the laddies.
To the laddies.